Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Man, that is if I telling the war go on for that to go on. So put in the comment section, no, who is the real Crocs out there? You see, Masicka, you know, Masicka out here, one in Skillibeng, that there's only one crocodile on the island. You see, Masicka, but they call them man one princess. I don't know if a chichi man behave with that, but being what me know about Dancehall Cartel, have a song with Skillibeng and I'm tied to the thing, the king and the prince of dancehall. So that's why you see Masicka send one of him son, family say him one fish to go style up, you know, Skillibeng and call him one princess. To put in the comment section if Tamily did ever tell a lie, because whoa.
Skilly pulled up to the shop to pick up his pieces.
We them boys, Bentley and Lambo, me need them guys. Give the family millions and bring them joy.
Yesterday I listened to that, yesterday. The mood.
Yeah, and you know, Skillibeng is only defending Vybz Kartel situation. Because you know, Masicka and Chastity style the thing on Reggae Sunfest, and come to find out, say Masicka don't have no issues with Kartel, but them still diss the program. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And it look like him not have no program, because it just seems like we're just talking about Vybz Kartel and not his album. But nevertheless, as you can see, Skillibeng forward direct and say. So that's why, you know, I'm just flip, you know, Masicka script and said, you know, since him I look for the Lambo and all of them ties they need, Skillibeng just sure say, hey, I'm off it, and that's what I'm posted up in my IG story as well. This is hopefully Tony Matterhorn can tell Masicka for going at the ring, going at the studio and call out Skillibeng name directly, because he's getting mucky out here. His son is getting involved in the war, so that's all we know. Say it's not entertainment how these guys say. The man over him yard and them son is there around listening to all of these things. So that's why the son feel like he can go up and Skillibeng ends and style him. But boy, me just know Skillibeng I gotta give him son one tall belt, you know. You see, I said, but I'm just giving them update walk on for that to go on your site. Want to give an update on Vanessa playing, because she sure is like, you know, disrespecting Gaza Nation and Vybz Kartel, because she said she loves all the love that she's getting and she not business but the eight. Meaning that, you know, Gaza says she ungrateful and all of these stuff, and you know she go up on Barclays Center stage with Masicka and all of these things, but she's still singing the song that Kartel wrote for her and him. Yes, he wrote her part and his part. So if you dislike the man so much and him fan base, why are you singing the only song the people them know you have, and you have a whole heap of song out this song? You see what I'm saying? This is why these people are fake and they're jokers and they're not reaching nowhere in them career. You see what I'm saying? Now, if you made it to this part of the video, I just want to thank you for giving me 100,000 views on this Masicka son. This in Skillibeng review I did yesterday on my other social media platform that I shared over here on YouTube. This is I said, you know, we're building back a community, so the views might look a little low to those people who like to get turned on by those things. You see I said, but if you're turned on by views, follow me on the gram. You see I said, because we're getting the views that I'm gonna like, you know what I mean? But we continue to upload and share the review them over yourselves. Well, we're going to be more consistent, you know, in the future. So make sure you do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Plus.